Good morning. My name is Anne-Karin Grodemanch. I am both ISO 9001 Quality Manager as well as Laboratory Manager at GMT International. I would like to introduce the quality control tests we carry out to validate the conformity of our F5, F15 and F6 green filters from the Filtrelec range. To start with, we carry out an air tightness test at the end of the production line. This test is usually done by our manufacturing operators. This non-destructive test is carried out on every single manufactured filters. The objective is to put under vacuum every single filter to check that there is no variation in pressure once the pump has been switched off. Then we perform a second set of tests to double-check the sealing with water and to verify the filtration flow rate. A dedicated semi-automated test bench has been designed to perform those tests. Upstream, we have a tank filled with water that will keep the water level constant throughout the test. The water goes through the filter during a defined period to ensure that the absorbing media is uniformly wetted. That way, consistent flow measurements can be taken. During this wetting phase, we visually verify the water tightness of the filters. 3 successive flow rates measurements are then automatically performed by our PLC to verify their values' consistency and their compliance with the nominal flow rates. The final test carried out in ISO 9001 quality control is the filtration quality test. Such destructive test is carried out on 1% of production. Thanks to the dedicated quality test bench, a mixture of dielectric oil and water passes through the filter. Samples are taken downstream of the filter and sent to an external laboratory to measure the residual concentration of hydrocarbons in the filtered water. The target is to obtain results of less than 5 ppm of hydrocarbons in order to comply with the requirements of the Clean Water Act. The last 2 tests I'd like to present to you are related to innovation. They are the saturation of our filters and the water and the oil blockage tests. We use the bench test with a sufficient amount of dielectric oil and water mixture to fully saturate the filter's absorbing media until no more liquid can pass through. The saturated filter is then connected to a 2-meter column of water and, in a second stage, to a 2-meter column of dielectric oil to make sure that no liquid passes through the filter, despite the upstream pressure. Thank you for your attention, and please do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions regarding our ISO 9001 quality controls.